was the war of the currents between Tesla and Edison about? Discover the other side of history with the Manuscript. The War of the Currents, C versus DC. Starting in the late 1880s, Nikola Tesla and Thomas Edison were locked in a rivalry known as the War of the Currents, a competition over the future of electricity distribution. Edison championed direct current, a technology he had developed and commercialized, which provided steady power but was inefficient for long-distance transmission. Tesla, supported by George Westinghouse, promoted alternating current, which could be transmitted over greater distances with ease using transformers. Unwilling to lose the royalties from his DC patents, Edison launched a campaign to discredit AC, spreading misinformation and claiming it was far more dangerous. He even went so far as to publicly electrocute stray animals using AC to demonstrate its supposed hazards. Despite this, Tesla's AC system ultimately triumphed, becoming the standard for modern electricity distribution. Rivalry. The rivalry peaked at the 1893 Chicago World's Fair, also known as the World's Columbian Exposition. General Electric, backing Edison's DC system, bid $554,000 to electrify the fair but lost to George Westinghouse, who promised to power the fair for just $399,000 using Tesla's AC system. This rivalry not only highlighted their contrasting approaches to innovation, but also shaped the future of electrical infrastructure. Later that same year, the Niagara Falls Power Company awarded Westinghouse the contract to generate power from the falls using Tesla's polyphase AC induction motor. While many doubted the falls could power all of Buffalo, New York, Tesla was confident they could supply electricity, not just to Buffalo but to the entire eastern United States. On November 16, 1896, Buffalo was illuminated by AC power from Niagara Falls. By then, even General Electric had shifted its focus to AC technology. Although AC overtook DC as the dominant system, recent years have seen a resurgence of DC technology. Nikola Tesla, known as the genius who lit the world. Nikola Tesla was a Serbian-American inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and physicist. Best known for his groundbreaking work in the development of alternating current electricity, which became the standard for electrical power transmission. His inventions and theories revolutionized the way electricity is used and distributed, contributing significantly to modern electrical engineering. Tesla believed alternating current was the solution to the limitations of DC. Unlike DC, AC reverses direction multiple times per second, 60 times in the U.S., and can be easily transformed to different voltages using a device called a transformer. Personality. Eccentric, idealistic, and deeply committed to his work. Struggled financially despite his genius, often overshadowed by rivals. Contributions. Developed alternating current electricity and the polyphase AC induction motor. Pioneered innovations in wireless communication, radio, and X-rays. Conceptualized futuristic ideas like wireless power transmission. Thomas Edison, known as the Wizard of Menlo Park. Thomas Edison was a prolific inventor, businessman, and one of the most influential figures of the modern era. He held over 1,000 patents and developed innovations that transformed daily life, including the practical electric light bulb, the phonograph, and the motion picture camera. Edison championed direct current electricity, laying the groundwork for early electrical infrastructure in the United States. A shrewd entrepreneur, Edison founded General Electric and pioneered the model of industrial research laboratories. His relentless work ethic and focus on practical applications made him a symbol of American ingenuity and technological progress. However, DC had a major limitation. It couldn't be easily converted to higher or lower voltages. Personality. Known for his relentless work ethic and competitive streak. sometimes criticized for prioritizing business over scientific integrity. Contributions: invented the practical electric light bulb, pioneered the phonograph and motion picture camera, developed the direct current system for electricity distribution. Quote, Tesla believed his work should benefit humanity, not just generate profit, the Manuscript. Modern era. Today, while most of our electricity is delivered via AC, many modern technologies such as computers, LEDs, solar cells, and electric vehicles rely on DC. Advances in technology have also made it possible to efficiently convert DC to higher or lower voltages. Furthermore, because DC is more stable, companies are increasingly using high-voltage direct current to transmit electricity over long distances with minimal energy loss. The war of the currents may not be entirely over, but instead of a heated AC versus DC rivalry, the two systems now work together in a sort of hybrid harmony. None of this would have been possible without the ingenuity of both Tesla and Edison. Conclusion: Edison championed DC, which was suited for short-distance power transmission, but inefficient for large-scale use. Tesla's AC, promoted through his partnership with George Westinghouse, enabled efficient long-distance power transmission. The rivalry was marked by Edison's campaign to discredit AC, including sensational demonstrations of its dangers. Ultimately, Tesla's AC prevailed, becoming the standard for modern electricity distribution. Legacy: both men left indelible marks on the world. Edison symbolizes invention and industrialization, while Tesla embodies visionary thinking and the pursuit of scientific discovery. Their combined contributions laid the foundation for much of the technology we rely on today. Anecdote: Nikola Tesla and Thomas Edison briefly had a professional relationship, but it was far from a true partnership. Tesla initially worked for Edison when he emigrated to the United States in 1884, taking a job at Edison's company, the Edison Machine Works, in New York City. Tesla was tasked with improving Edison's DC generators and reportedly proposed an innovative solution that Edison declined to adopt. A well-known anecdote, though likely embellished, suggests that Tesla was promised a significant financial reward for completing this work, which Edison later dismissed as a joke. Disillusioned, Tesla left the company after only a few months. The Manuscript,